How's it going, everyone? Today I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram messaging problems. Now, first things first, if you have problems regarding messages, like you can't send messages on Instagram or you can't receive messages from someone on Instagram, this is probably because you haven't updated your application. Now, I highly suggest you go to your App Store or Google Store and check if your Instagram application is updated. Now, if you've done that and it still doesn't work, let's switch to professional account. Now we need to switch to professional account because the messaging tools in professional account is very robust and it's very accurate. So to do that, go to your Instagram application. And once you're in your Instagram application, go to this profile icon right here at the bottom right hand corner of your screen. Just click on that and go to edit profile and just click on switch to professional account and just click on continue right here. It doesn't matter, and choose anything you want. Click on done and click on creator. Just click on next and click on continue. So your professional account is now set up, and just go back to your Instagram and click on this message icon, and you will see that your messages is now visible, and hopefully you can send and receive messages along the way. So if it still doesn't work, we should go to settings and go to your apps and click on apps again. Now this process, we are clearing cache, app and data. Now search on Instagram right here and click on force stop right here and go to storage and click on clear data. So your data and your cache is now cleared. So after that, hopefully you won't experience the same problems regarding your messaging errors, etc., etc. So that's it for this video, everyone, and if you find this helpful, be sure to give it a like, subscribe, and click on that notification bell to be notified for future videos. Bye!